everyone, welcome to SJ Infinity Max. Wish you all a happy Ganesh Chaturthi. May Lord Ganesh pour all his blessings on you. Today we are going to start with question number 2 of exercise 1.4. The question is, find dy by dx if x equal to cosec square theta, y equal to cot cube theta, or theta equal to pi by 6. So this question is similar to question number 1, but here we need to find the value of dy by dx at pi by 6. Let us see the solution now. The solution is similar to question number 1. First we find dx by d theta by considering x equal to cosec square theta. Consider x equal to cosec square theta. Let us differentiate this with respect to theta. So we get dx by d theta is equal to, see, cosec square theta can be considered as cosec theta the whole square. So we know that derivative of x square is 2x. So this will be 2 into cosec theta into derivative of cosec theta. This is equal to 2 cosec theta multiplied with derivative of cosec theta. And derivative of cosec theta is minus cosec theta cot theta. 2 cosec theta multiplied with minus cosec theta cot theta. So this will become minus 2 cosec square theta cot theta. So this is your dx by d theta. Now let us find dy by d theta. Let this be your equation number 1. Now consider y. Y is cot cube theta. We are going to simplify this like this. Differentiate with respect to theta. Therefore, dy by d theta is equal to 3 cot theta multiplied with 3 cot square theta multiplied with derivative of cot theta is minus cosec square theta. So this is equal to minus 3 cot square theta cosec square theta, and this be equation number 2. Now calculate dy by dx. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. This is equal to minus 3 cot square theta cosec square theta upon minus 2 cosec square theta cot theta. Now cosec square theta will get cancelled. 1 cot theta is getting cancelled, and minus will get cancelled. So we are left with 3 cot theta. 3 by 2 cot theta. Now calculate dy by dx at theta equal to pi by 6. So this is equal to 3 by 2 cot pi by 6. So we know that value of cot pi by 6 is root 3. So the answer for dy by dx at theta equal to pi by 6 is 3 root 3 upon 2. See, till here the solution is similar to question 1. Just at the last step you have to add the value of theta or whatever t or m given in the question. Hope you followed this question. Let us move on to next question. See, we have only 5 questions in this question number 2. All the questions are very easy and simple. Let us solve them one by one. See, now we have the question number 2. X equal to a cos cube theta, y equal to a sin cube theta, at theta equal to pi by 3. This you can try yourself. See question number 3, x equal to t square plus t plus 1 and y equal to sin pi t upon 2 plus cos pi t upon 2 at t equal to 1. Let us solve this. So the solution will be, first find dx by dt. So this will be 2t plus 1, equation number 1. Then find dy by dt. Derivative of sin pi t by 2 is cos pi t by 2 multiplied with pi by 2 minus derivative of cos pi t by 2 is sin pi t by 2 multiplied with pi by 2. Now let us calculate dy by dx. This is your equation number 2. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. This is equal to, we have a pi by 2 common. So we have cos pi t upon 2 minus sin pi t upon 2 divided by 2t plus 1. Now let us calculate the value of dy by dx at t equal to 1. Therefore, dy by dx at t equal to 1 is equal to pi by 2 cos, this will become cos pi by 2 minus sin pi by 2 upon 2 into 1 plus 1. See, cos pi by 2 is 0, sin pi by 2 is 1. So we will get minus 1 over here. Pi by 2 into minus 1 upon 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1 3. So this is equal to minus pi by 6. Therefore, dy by dt at t equal to 1 is minus pi by 6. So the answer for question number 3 is dy by dt is equal to minus pi by 6 at t equal to 1. Hope it is easy and clear. Now we can move on to our question number 4. See question number 4. We have x equal to 2 cos t plus cos 2t and y equal to 2 sin t minus sin 2t. We have to find the value of dy by dx at t equal to pi by 4. Now the solution is, find dx by dt first. We have 2, derivative of cos t is minus sin t and derivative of cos 2t is minus sin 2t multiplied with 2, minus 2 sin 2t. Now we find dy by dt, 2 into derivative of sin t is cos t minus derivative of sin 2t is cos 2t into 2, 2 cos 2t. Therefore, we find dy by dx, this is equal to, take 2 common, we have 2 cos t minus cos 2t upon, here also take a minus 2 common, we have sin t plus sin 2t. Cancel out 2 with 2. Now calculate dy by dx at t equal to pi by 4. This is equal to cos pi by 4 minus cos 2 into pi by 4 upon minus sin pi by 4 plus sin 2 into pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 is 1 upon root 2. See, 2 ones are 2 twos are. Cos pi by 2 is 0 upon minus sin pi by 4 is 1 upon root 2 plus Sin pi by 2 is 1. So this is equal to 1 upon root 2. Cross multiply this, we get 1 plus root 2 upon root 2. Root 2 will get cancelled with each other. So we get 1 upon minus 1 plus root 2. See, we can rationalize the denominator. So this is equal to, rationalize with 1 minus root 2 in the numerator and in the denominator. So we get 1 minus root 2 upon minus into 1 minus 2. That is 1 minus root 2 upon minus into minus 1. That is 1 minus root 2. Getting? Just we have to substitute for t equal to pi by 4. Then once the answer is derived, we have to multiply it with the rational number, that is 1 plus root 2 will be multiplied with 1 minus root 2 in the numerator and denominator. Then we have the answer as 1 minus root 2. Hope you are finding it easy. Now let us move on to the question number 5. See, now we have the last question of question number 2 and the simplest question among the 4 above. We have x equal to t plus 2 sin pi t, y equal to 3t minus cos pi t or t equal to half. Calculate dx by dt. Derivative x is 1, 2 multiply. Derivative of sin pi by t is cos pi by t into pi. Similarly for dy by dt, 3 into derivative of t is 1 minus derivative of cos pi t is minus sin pi t into pi. This can be written as 1 plus 2 pi cos pi t, equation 1, and this is equal to 3 plus minus into minus plus pi sin pi t, equation number 2. Now we find dy by dx from equations 1 and 2. Dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. So this is 3 plus pi sin pi t upon 1 plus 2 pi cos pi t. Now we calculate dy by dx at t equal to 1 by 2. Dy by dx at t equal to 1 by 2. So this is 3 plus pi sin pi into 1 by 2 upon 1 plus 2 pi cos pi into 1 upon 2. So this is sin pi by 2. Value of sin pi by 2 is 1. So this is equal to 3 plus pi upon 1 plus cos pi by 2 is 0. So 0 into 2 pi is 0. So 1 plus 0. So this is equal to 3 plus pi. So we have the derivative of, that is dy by dx at t equal to half as 3 plus pi. Hope the solution is clear. Okay, so here we completed our question number 2 of exercise 1.4. In the coming lectures, we'll solve more questions based upon exercise 1.4. Until then, watch my previous videos. Take care. Thank you so much for watching the video until the end. Like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos and enjoy your days. Bye bye.